Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're using the great free Divi Brain add-ons plugin today to do this image to video pop-up. We've got an image here with a little play icon. When you click on it, it's going to pop up a YouTube image right here. And just hit the play and the video starts playing in a light box. Fantastic. Like I say, to do this today, we're using the free Brain add-ons for Divi, which is an absolutely awesome free plugin. You can download it from here, and I'll put this link below the video. Just hit the download free button, install and activate. So let's get started. Let's go down. I'll enable the visual builder. And let's just delete this module here. And we'll start from scratch. So I've got a section with a few rows in it. I've got a row here with nothing in it that we've just deleted the module from. I'm going to hit the little dark button to add a new module. Divi as standard comes with the light grey modules, and there's plenty of them, enough to build just about any site. When you add the free Brain add-ons plugin, it gives you another 20 or so. And the one I want today is the video pop-up. And here it is right at the bottom here. Just left click and it'll insert it for you. As you can see, it puts a placeholder image in and a little play icon. So let's select the image that we want to use. I guess I'll use that same image again. As you can see, it puts it in the background there. If we scroll down a bit, let's have a look at our settings here. You can choose the different icons, the play icon right there. And there's several to choose from. I'll just put it on number 2. That's what I used before. You can choose what sort of video, whether it's YouTube, Vimeo, or a custom sort of MP4 upload. Then simply put the URL of the YouTube page with a YouTube video in it. Now I've noticed this doesn't work with the actual shareable link that you usually use for YouTube. This is actually the page link that is up in the URL bar up here. If I bring this up here, it's the link you see at the top that's going to have watch and then question mark on it. Otherwise, usually you use this link right here, which is a lot more concise. We don't need to do that today. Just use the page link and it should work fine. If you want to use a background, you can put one in here, but we've got an image going on, so there's no real point. Let's move over to our design tab now. Here's our image. You can choose the height if you want. I quite like that 300, but if you don't, just drag it up or drag it down, make it the size you want. If you play with it and don't like what you've done, simply select it, delete it, and it'll go back to the default value for you. If you want to use an image overlay background, perhaps your play icon isn't showing up as well as you'd like, you can do it right here. You can use a color or a gradient. For example, I'll put it in a color. Ours is going to work fine with that image, but I'll put in one anyway. Let's just add a purple color. I don't want it full like that, so if you just left click on the color, you can drag the opacity or see-throughness slider down until you can see enough of the image, and whatever it is, your play icon is standing out the way you want it to. Let's move on down. Here's our icon. I'm simply going to change mine to white. You can take the opacity down a little bit if you want to and change the size. I'm happy with the size. I might take the opacity down a bit so you've got a bit of see-throughness going on there, but it's still a play icon. Now when we click on play, it's going to pop up into what they call a light box. The light box is an image in the middle here with a darkened background that sort of covers the website itself. So let's go to the pop-up. I'm going to leave mine on the default. Again, you can choose any color you want here. And we're pretty much done. That's a very simple module, but it's a really handy module. So let's save our changes and make sure this is going to work on the front end. Save draft or publish if you're ready. And let's exit the visual builder. Okay, there we have it. Let's click on our little play icon. There's our video. Click the little play. And there's the video playing. And what I was saying about the light box here, it darkens out the background for us. Hi guys, welcome
Great.
to another Divi. So like I say, that is a very short and sweet video, but that is a great little thing to have on your site if you like to serve videos to people. And once again, it's using the free Brain Addons module for the Divi theme, which is absolutely awesome. And once again, this link will be below the video. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.